Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a day in the lifestyle video. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I figured it was probably due. I've been doing all kinds of cleaning, motivation, and I'm about to do a bunch of organization videos as well. That's kind of what we're gonna be doing today a little bit. I'm gonna be prepping to organize my laundry room. So I think we're gonna do that tonight, and I wanted to pick up a couple things for that. So I need to run to the store. I'm gonna look around, see if I can find anything that would work for what I have in mind for that room. I also have to pick up some stuff for dinner, and I'm gonna be making a new recipe from the Magnolia cookbook tonight. I'm gonna make her meatloaf, so if you guys want to see me do that, just stay tuned. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty casual. I've got to get my oil changed and do all that fun stuff, so let's go ahead and get this day started.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like?
We're at Walmart and they have some shoes on clearance. I wanted to share these. $9, and they have it all different colors. $9. I'll show you guys. That color. They have some other pairs as well. Really good deal. These are a wide though, I've noticed, so I had to go down a size. I'm normally about a 7.5 or 8, and I was definitely a 7. Just looking through everything, but we went through the Valentine's Day stuff and I found these plates, some cupcakes, sprinkles, and then I also found some candy melts for pretzels. And then I'm gonna be making a DIY. I'll show you guys that at home. And then I also got something for my kitchen organization video I'm doing soon. What did you get? A sticker at Walmart?
Yeah.
All right, let's get your shoes off. I've got this little haul tree. I don't know if I've ever even shown this, like actually in a video, but I found this on Facebook Marketplace for like $60. And it is the handiest. $60, and it's so handy. I always put my shoes, purse, coats in here, and Colt's toys right down there. You get your shoes off?
Yeah.
Brooks is loving his new shoes he got. He outgrew his other ones, so it was time, huh? Yeah, they are so sharp.
Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat.
Okay, I wanted to show you guys what I picked up for my DIY from Walmart. It's kind of like those little wooden risers that you can put different decorations on. A lot of times you'll see them in centerpieces. I'll insert a clip here, a picture of what my inspiration is, but this is so inexpensive. I thought I would at least just give it a try. So just for a few dollars, you could make your own risers. So I got these circle plaques to be the top of the riser. And then they have these little caps, these just like wooden caps like that. And that can be your little like bottom piece to make it rise a little bit. So I got 2 of these. That's all I could find in stock. These were only $1. These were, I think, around $2. And then I picked up some paint from Walmart. This is the Waverly chalk paint in the ivory color. This was like $1.98 maybe. And then I got some elephant gray in the apple barrel. It's in the matte acrylic paint, and this is only 50 cents. And then if you have like a hot glue gun, you could do that to make everything stick together. But I got some E600 or 6000, E6000 Glue, it's just like really strong adhesive just to make it last a little bit longer. And this was only, I think, $2.50, something like that. So all around, it's a really good thing. I'm gonna try to find one more riser. I may go to a different Walmart in our area if these turn out good, but I'll make sure and do a tutorial on them and at least show you guys. And then the other thing were these shoes. I ended up picking up these wedged sneakers. They were on clearance for $9, brand new. I got a size 7, and these are the wide ones, so I would suggest going down a size, but they had them in black. They also had them in a taupe color, and then they had a bunch of other little booties. I think I filmed a clip earlier, so you've already seen it. So anyways, definitely check out Walmart's shoes in the clearance section. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this stuff up and get started on dinner.
Okay, I'm going to be making a recipe out of my Magnolia Table cookbook. It is Joanna's meatloaf, and it is so good. So this is everything that you're going to need right here. I'll have the recipe linked down below, but first you're going to dice an onion. I ended up doing about a half of an onion just because we're not crazy about them in my family. And then 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to melt the butter in a skillet on medium to low heat. And then while that is melting, I went ahead and got a big bowl and added 1.5 pounds of ground beef to it, and then also 1 sleeve of crushed crackers.
I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try.
Once your butter is melted, you're going to add the onions and then cook them on low to medium heat for 5 minutes until they are softened, and then set them aside so they can cool. Now you're going to go back to your ground beef mixture and add 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. The recipe called for fresh grated cheese, so it's up to you, but I went ahead and just got packaged. And then you're going to add 1/2 cup of tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I can never say that right. And then 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I usually don't have ketchup on hand, so luckily I had some, or I would have been running to the Dollar General. Then you're going to add some kosher salt and black pepper, and then 2 eggs, and then you will mix all of this together with your hands thoroughly, and then once your onions are cooled, you will add those in as well.
I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause you'll never be mine. Listen when she told.
Now you're going to grab a 9x13 pan and start forming your meatball. So you want it to be about 9 to 6 inches, so 9 by 6, if that makes sense. So just form it the best that you can. Make sure it's really nice and tight, and then you're going to add some ketchup on top. And she said to drizzle ketchup and then like spread it around. So I did that with my hand. Looks kind of funny, but it did the trick. And then you're going to bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Such an easy, simple recipe, but it's so good. So while that is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do some dishes. That way I'm 1 step ahead. But if you guys are looking for the Magnolia Table cookbook and you haven't gotten your hands on it, TJ Maxx has an awesome deal on it. I even checked online and they do have them on there as well. I want to say it's around $16 for the cookbook, and I think that is a great deal. I use mine all the time. There are so many good recipes in there, so definitely check that out at TJ Maxx if you guys are interested. So now that the dinner is getting close to being done, I went ahead and made some mac and cheese. This is the Annie's brand. It's our favorite and super simple. So I'm just adding that in after I drained the noodles, and then I'll mix that together. And then I'm also going to steam some broccoli. I just got the kind that is already washed and cut and ready to go from Kroger. So I'm just going to add enough into this pan with some water that's already heating up and a little steamer in there, and put the lid on and let it cook for about 8 minutes.
We'd never trip and fall. Never trip and fall.
Alright, now the meatloaf is ready to come out of the oven, and it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. And then I also stuck in some crescent rolls as well. And here is the finished product. It was so yummy. I highly, highly recommend it.
And we didn't even care if we
Okay, it's a lot later now. I just got done filming our laundry room makeover video, and it feels so good to have it pretty much done. I'm probably gonna go tomorrow or sometime next week to look for some things to go on a shelf that we put in there, and I might order something from Amazon to finish off the room. But it feels so much better having a clean open space for my laundry. So if you guys are interested in that video, it'll be coming out really soon. But I quickly wanted to show you guys something I've been loving lately, and that is my new phone case from Loopy Cases. So I've never actually used the Loopy case before, but this is what it looks like. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. Obviously, I love Buffalo Check. I think Colt's ready for bed, but it's so handy. I love the little silicone loop. It's so genius. It doesn't fall. I don't think I'll ever drop my phone again with this one, and I used to use the pop sockets, but I still drop my phone all the time. So I love this, and it's also easier for Brooks to hold. So it's just all around a really great case. Anyways, if you guys want to get your hands on one of these cases, I do have a discount code for you guys. It's just Kailyn Cash, all lowercase letters, and that'll get you 10% off. So anyways, they have tons of prints. They have a really cute leopard print that I'll probably get once this one gets run down, but I am so obsessed with this, so just wanted to share that real quick. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little sneak peek of our lives and making dinner and just seeing what we've been up to. So stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, it's more than likely gonna be the laundry room makeover. So I'm starting my organization series. Very excited about that. Tomorrow I'm filming my kitchen organization video. Super excited about that one as well. It's gonna be a lot, so I need to get in bed and get rejuvenated. So I am ready to go with that one tomorrow. But please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you here on my channel, and if you are new, just let me know down in the comments. I love seeing those and talking with you guys down there. So if you guys are new, definitely make sure to let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.